Okay, Akshara and Diya, Samaira, can you show me apple? Where is the apple? Samaira, apple. Show me apple, Samaira. Very good. Grapes. Show me grapes. Grapes. Very good. Now, watermelon. Watermelon. Yeah, watermelon is a which color? No, inside. Inside. Outside is a green color. Inside? Which color? Inside. Red color. Watermelon is a red color, no? Yes. Now show me banana. Banana. Where is the banana? Very good. Banana is a which color? Yellow color. Yeah. Mango. Show me mango. Show me mango. Can you please show me mango, Diya? Akshara. Very good, Akshara. Yay. Good.